iTCA 10 Rules for Handling and Protecting Your Passwords. Have you ever received a strange message from a friend's social media account, only to realize later their account was hacked? Or maybe you've tried logging into one of your own accounts and found yourself locked out because someone changed your password? It happens more often than you think, and in most cases it starts with one small mistake: poor password habits. That's why in this video we'll go over the 10 golden rules for handling and protecting your passwords. The simple actions that can stop hackers from getting into your accounts. Stay with me till the end, because each rule is a key step towards securing your digital life. And I'll also show you where to learn how to create stronger passwords that truly protect you. Let's get started. Rule 1. Do not write it down. Avoid keeping your passwords on notes, sticky pads, or journals. They can easily be lost or stolen. Rule 2. Don't share your passwords, not even with friends or colleagues. Once someone else knows your password, your account is no longer fully yours. Rule 3. Never send your password through SMS or email. Messages can be intercepted or forwarded. If you must share, use secure password sharing options built into password managers. Rule 4. Don't use the same password on multiple accounts. If one account is hacked, the rest could fall like dominoes. Always create unique passwords for every platform. Rule 5. Log out on shared devices, especially on public or workplace computers, and it only takes one careless moment for someone to access your data. Rule 6. Update your passwords regularly. Change them immediately if there's a breach, or at least every few months to stay ahead of cyber threats. Rule 7. Don't save passwords in browsers. Browsers can be compromised. Use a secure password manager instead. Rule 8. Monitor your accounts. Check your login history and security notifications often. Spotting suspicious activity early can save you from bigger problems later. Rule 9. Never read your password out loud. Not in a room, not over a phone call. You never know who might overhear it and misuse it. Rule 10. Be cautious with autofill. Only enable it on personal devices you trust, not on shared systems or public computers. These rules might seem simple, but together they form a powerful shield protecting your online identity. Your digital safety starts with how you handle your passwords, so take these steps seriously. If you found this helpful, check out our video on how to create strong passwords that are easy to remember, but hard to hack. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share it with your friends. Everyone needs to know this. Finally, drop a comment below and tell us what topics you'd like to learn about in cybersecurity. Your idea might be featured in our next video. Stay smart, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next one.